You don't know yet.
Look black.
No, they actually looked like they were like a gray brown. Right now.
Like, can we hold her? Vampire.
Yeah, I'm recording it. Hello, baby.
5 or 6. I love you, Mama. Look at her little nosy. That's the booker. Yeah, we all got that. What is he doing? Get it out.
She's sleepy.
Jen.
Try to make her turn the light.
She's such a tiny baby. Why is she so tiny? She should have been bigger.
Hungry.